A fascinating new study published in the Archives of Sexual Behavior provides intriguing evidence of how men's sperm quality may unconsciously respond to perceived competition. It suggests that men's bodies are biologically tuned to increase sperm concentration when they feel their partner might have other sexual rivals. This finding, while illuminating, points to an adaptive mechanism designed to maximize a man's chances of fathering children in a competitive mating environment. The research demonstrates that men who perceive a greater number of potential rivals in their partner's social circle, such as male friends or co-workers, tend to produce ejaculates with a higher sperm concentration. This response suggests that our bodies may be wired to respond to these cues of potential competition in subtle ways that enhance reproductive success. Interestingly, the study also uncovered a paradoxical twist. Men who believe their partners to be more faithful actually produced ejaculates with a higher concentration of rapidly moving sperm. This might seem counterintuitive in light of the sperm competition theory, but it could indicate a more nuanced biological response. Rapidly moving sperm are optimal for fertilizing an egg, and their increased concentration in the presence of perceived faithfulness may reflect a more strategic, focused approach to conception when the risk of competing with other males is low. This study builds upon earlier research that proposed sperm competition as a biological phenomenon. In the animal kingdom, sperm competition occurs when the sperm of multiple males compete to fertilize a female's eggs, especially in species where females mate with more than one male. Over time, males have developed various strategies to increase their reproductive success in these competitive environments, such as producing larger volumes of sperm or higher quality sperm. The current research takes the earlier findings a step further by broadening the scope of factors that might influence sperm quality, such as perceptions of infidelity and the number of potential sexual rivals. Previous studies had largely focused on the amount of time couples spend apart, with the idea being that periods of separation might signal a higher risk of sperm competition. However, this new study found that perceptions of a partner's potential infidelity, rather than just time apart, are a stronger indicator of sperm quality. In a carefully controlled study, researchers followed 34 heterosexual couples over a period of 45 days. Participants were asked to complete questionnaires about their relationships and perceptions of sperm competition risk, including factors like the likelihood of their partner's infidelity and the number of male friends or co-workers their partner had. The men also provided semen samples at various intervals, which were analyzed using advanced laser optic technology to assess sperm concentration, motility, and other factors indicative of sperm quality. The results highlighted that men produce sperm with a significantly higher concentration when they perceive their partner's social circle to include more potential rivals. This was especially true in the samples collected after sexual intercourse, not masturbation, pointing to a potential biological response to perceived competition. Interestingly, however, the men who believe their partners to be more faithful also produced ejaculates with a higher concentration of rapidly moving sperm, which could indicate a strategic adjustment to enhance the chances of conception when competition appears low. While these findings are compelling, they also open up new questions about the complexity of human reproductive behavior. For example, the researchers found that men who abstained from ejaculation for a longer period or who had fewer lifestyle habits that harm sperm health, such as using heated car seats or laptops on laps, produced higher quality sperm. This suggests that men's reproductive health is influenced by a combination of both biological and lifestyle factors. This study also provides a fresh perspective on the concept of sperm competition in humans. While the research suggests that biological responses to perceived infidelity or rival males may be unconscious, they are likely the result of evolutionary pressures designed to maximize reproductive success. It's a reminder of how deeply our biology is intertwined with our environment and how subtle cues, such as the number of male friends a partner has, could influence something as seemingly unrelated as sperm quality. As researchers continue to explore this fascinating area of study, it's clear that the complexity of human mating behavior and sperm competition extends beyond what we might have assumed. The potential for even more refined adjustments to reproductive strategies, depending on external cues, adds another layer of understanding to human evolution and reproductive health. Ultimately, This research offers valuable insights into the ways in which men's bodies may unconsciously adapt to their social environments to maximize their chances of successful reproduction, shedding new light on an often overlooked aspect of human biology.